Hello everyone, I'm Abraham, and you found your way to Smart Skill Studio, where curiosity meets knowledge. I'm here to be your host and mentor as we dive into the fascinating world of learning. Join me on this educational journey where we'll explore a wide range of topics and uncover valuable insights. Together, I'm excited to share my passion for learning with you, so let's embark on this enriching adventure. Our topic: how to create a YouTube channel from scratch. Creating a YouTube channel from scratch involves several steps. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you get started. Sign up for a Google account. If you don't already have a Google account, you'll need one to create a YouTube channel. 1. Go to Google, sign up. 2. Fill out the form with your details. 3. Verify your account via the verification method provided, usually a text message or email. Create a YouTube channel. Once you have a Google account, 1. Sign into YouTube with your Google account. 2. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. 3. Select Create a Channel. 4. Choose Get Started. 5. Select Use Your Name to create a channel using your Google account name, or select Use a Custom Name (to) create a channel with a different name. 6. Follow the prompts to set up your channel name and other details. Customize your channel. After creating your channel, you should customize it to attract viewers. 1. Go to your channel by clicking Profile Picture and selecting your name. 2. Click Customize Channel. 3. Add a profile picture. This can be a logo or picture of yourself. 4. Add a banner image. This is the large banner at the top of your channel page. Ensure it's high quality and fits YouTube's dimensions to 5601 for 40 pixels. 5. Add a channel description. Write a brief description of what your channel is about. Include keywords related to your content. Upload your first video. With your channel set up, it's time to upload your first video. 1. Click the camera icon with a plus at the top right and select Upload Video. 2. Drag and drop your video file or select it from your computer. 3. Fill in the video details: title, description, and tags. Make sure your title is catchy and descriptive. 4. Choose a thumbnail. You can upload a custom thumbnail or select one of the auto-generated ones. Thumbnails should be 1280 x 720 pixels. 5. Select your audience. Specify whether your video is made for kids. 6. Click Next and follow the prompts to add video elements like end screens or cards. 7. Choose visibility settings: public, unlisted, or private. 8. Click Publish to upload your video. Optimize your channel and videos. To grow your channel, optimize your content and engage with your audience. 1. Create playlists. Group similar videos together to help viewers find content easily. 2. Use tags and keywords. Research keywords related to your niche and use them in your video titles, description, and tags. 3. Engage with viewers. Reply to comments and interact with your audience. 4. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media, blogs, and other platforms to attract viewers. Analyze and improve. Use YouTube Analytics to understand your audience and improve your content. 1. Access YouTube Studio by clicking on your profile picture and selecting YouTube Studio. 2. Go to the Analytics section to see data on views, watch time, demographics, and more. Adjust your strategy based on what works and what doesn't. Focus on creating content that resonates with your audience. Monetize your channel. Optional. Once you meet the eligibility requirements, you can apply to join the YouTube Partner Program and start monetizing your content. 1. Eligibility requirements: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. 2. Enable monetization. Go to YouTube Studio, click on Monetization, and follow the steps to apply. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to creating a successful YouTube channel from scratch. This is the end. Please thank you for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Bye bye.